Welcome to position. This is one of my favorite of all-time activities. It's tricky, but it's a lot of fun as well. Your task is to plot, which means put down, and join lines to each coordinate. If done correctly, you will find an animal shape. When completed, you may choose to print it out and color it, or just marvel at your awesomeness. Which means just look at it and go, oh my Lord, what have I done? That is insane. I can't believe I did that. If you want, you will probably need instructions. So it's not a matter of if you want. Every time you see a YouTube link, click on it and watch the video because it's vital for your understanding of this. But I'm going to try and demonstrate right now for you as well. You can see down here, there are sets of coordinates. Now, the first number of every coordinate, so we've got here in brackets, there's a 0 there and a 1 there. The first number is always the x-axis. You always walk along the road first before you climb the tree. So, first number is the x-axis. However, if it is a 0, you're going to be scratching your head going, what? Where's 0? It doesn't say it there. 0 is the very center. So see how we've got 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, or negative 1. The very center is 0. So if it says 0 on either the x-axis, the first number, or the y-axis, the second number, it'll be along the line. So have a look at this. If we've got 0 to begin with on the x-axis, I'm going to start at that point, and then positive 1, I will climb the tree. That is my first point. Second point, it says negative 4 along the road, so walk across the grass, negative 4, and then climb one branch of the tree, 1. So I choose my line toggle. This one is important for us. My first coordinate started there, and my second one, negative 4 and 1. So I'm going to here draw a line from there to there. If you want your line a bit thicker, please, this button here is about the thickness. Then you click to the side. I have my first line. My second line, which will be my third coordinate, I have to walk negative 7 and then 0. So I don't climb at all. So walk across the grass, but I don't climb the tree. So I go from this point to here. Making sure the thickness is the same. You can change the thickness if you want. But I've done the first ones. I recommend crossing them out when you've done them. Then, always, you got to continue coming back to here. Negative 8 along the grass, and then going underground here, negative 2. So negative 8, negative 1, negative 2. So I'm going to join that to there. Do you notice how I'm doing it? Negative 7 along the grass and negative 4. So we're down here now. So I find the point first. Negative, ooh, almost got it wrong, didn't I? Negative 7, negative 4, that goes to there. Notice how I'm starting to create a shape. When it says end of sequence, so this first one, it'll say 0, 0. So your last line will go from here straight down to 0, 0. That means you stop. The next set of coordinates, you aren't joining to it. It's separate. And it says end of sequence, it means it's separate. So I would start anew. So it'd be negative 6. Oh, that way, negative 6, negative 2. So I'd start anew. So clearly it's going to be something in here. Every time it says end of sequence, they want you to stop and then not join that. Then you're going to type down here, what shape is it? Who knows? It could be a zebra. I don't know. Might be. We'll see. Every single one of these Slides are worth 20 points each. If you feel like you want to do 2 of them, 2 slides, 4 things, 20 plus 20 is 40. Interesting. But believe me, they're a lot of fun. Look at the shapes you can make. This clearly is not a zebra. Maybe this one is, I don't know. We have the answer sheets. Us teachers have the answer sheets for you, so give it a go. If it doesn't look like an animal shape, you'll have to delete and start again. How do you delete the lines, you ask? Well, you click on the line, delete, click, delete, click, line, delete. If it looks like that and you've accidentally deleted it, go straight over here to undo. You need to do that. Don't panic, don't say, oh, I've lost it. Undo button is your friend, or it says Control Z. If you accidentally delete something, click the undo immediately. Don't panic, it's all about undo. Enjoy, have fun.